For some worms? Are you? Worms. Ronnie. Here they are. Let's see how many's in there. I should probably get the tripod. Huh? Tripod? No, you want worms first. Oh, shit. I need another hand. Ronnie boy, where you been? Oh, look at all those worms. Look at all those worms. Let me get them. Worms. Worms. Worms for Ronnie. Worms. Boy, there's a bunch of dried up ones in here. Ronnie boy. How long you been out here? I didn't even hear you come up. Go on, get it. It's right there. It's underneath. Don't be scared. There it is. Yum, 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 yum. Worms for Ronnie. Worms for Ronnie. You can go ahead and get that one. Go ahead. There we go. Now you're making a mess. Here. Come on. Oh, you got that old one. Come on. You get him? Got my finger in the shot. What an Elmo. Ronnie boy. I gotta shut the camera off because this stupid kid's batting rocks over here. Hold on.